In WebFOCUS, you can access all repository content from your homepage. But there's one very useful technique to get to configuration files if you're an administrator on your system. So simply click on the username and go to the legacy homepage. If that link is not in your list, you can also directly open up that URL in here. On the left-hand side, you're going to see the same repository structure that we saw on the homepage. But in here, you can right-click Workspace, select View, and in here, change to Full View. Full View gets you to a more technical view of the system. You're still going to see the WebFOCUS client, but you're also going to be able to get to additional configuration files. Like open up the File tab, you're going to get access to some of the standard directories, like the import directory, the template directory of WebFOCUS, the HTML directory. So that's going to get you access to many different elements on the system. Same for the reporting server, for some of the configuration files within the system. So that's an easy way to get to those configuration files. Of course, you cannot run them from here, but you can get to that element and really get to those informations in the system and work with those configuration files and just check the existence of those files.